Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog, or perhaps continuation of the previous part of this vlog where I was riding through Manhattan. But long story short, now we're in New Jersey. It's really happening now. Now we're cruising in dirty Jersey. This is a nice little corkscrew turn, not corkscrew at all, just a long spirally thing. Police reported ahead. We'll take it easy then. We're not speeding too much, are we? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's that serious. But you never know. You never know with the PO. So we're just kind of cruising, just like this. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. This is my first cruise this year where I'm just enjoying myself at speed and I'm not freezing. Incredible. Truly incredible. And of course, there is traffic. You bastards. You dirty bastards. Yeah, there's definitely police over here. I don't know what they're doing. I guess they're just hanging out. Kind of weird. Alright, in a mile, I'm gonna take a right in this glorious state of Jersey. I'm gonna have to get between these cars or something like that, because this Toyota here is not making moves that I wanted to make. Kind of hanging there. I'm gonna have to literally go between these freaking cars. Just like that. Oh, now he's fucking cooking it. Jerk off. That's how it works. People cook it when they feel like it. Oh my God, I cannot believe how beautiful it is. I should have went to like Bear Mountain or something. I really should have. And there seems to be a little bit of traffic over here for some godforsaken reason. Nice. Oh, this is so good. I am a pig in shit. I don't even have anything to say, guys and girls. I'm literally just enjoying myself that much. Because I am going 55 and it's not cold. That is literally a national record for this year. It's a beautiful thing. Boom. Beautiful thing. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. And my stupid hood, because I'm wearing a hoodie, is now acting like a nice little sail. I do like it. It's kind of like, you know, it's like a air brake. Good stuff. It's making my neck stronger. 6th gear, cruising, tucked in. This is my first time actually cruising on these tires too. Really cruising. Whoa, I'm going all over the place. I'll come over a little bit. It's totally fine. You could pass me, because I'm just chilling. If you want to go faster, it's totally fine. But yeah, my hood probably looks insane, because people are probably thinking I'm a silly person with this stupid thing on. But there's nothing I can do about it. You know, I kind of tucked it in, and there's a motorcycle behind me actually, which is a little surprising. I don't know who that was, but I dipped a little bit. chilling, cruising, feeling good. Beautiful New Jersey. This is the first taste. Whenever you leave the city, I oftentimes take this section of New Jersey just so I can get through and out to like twisty New York State roads. But it is lovely here. See, there's a police reported ahead, so we're not gonna get too potatoey. MetLife Stadium over there where sports teams play and whatnot. I don't know if you ever heard of that kind of thing. Ed Sheeran. Oh yeah, that's that guy. I do like him. I do like Ed Sheeran. He's got that song. I forgot what it is, but it's a good one. Dun 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 dun. They say the club is not a good place to find love, so the bar is where I go. Fucking smart. Is there Poe around? I don't know. I don't think so. Everybody just kind of cooking it. Not so bad. Got 3 more miles on this Route 3. Uh-oh. Why the slowdown? Ooh, feels good to go quick. Not often do I get to go this quick, but there's a cop ahead, so let's not go too quick now. Yep. Lanes get narrower. Yep. Police reported ahead. That is true. Police reported ahead. Ha 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 ha. We're only 8 minutes away from the destination, and now the cops are probably going to, you know, freaking pickle me tender. Two and a half miles. Nice. Route 3, not so bad. I don't mind it one bit. I don't mind it one bit. Yeah, this Honda in front of me is driving a little bit very passively. I don't really understand why. I do wish kind of I could pass it. That would be so fun. Oh, nice. Now we're cooking again. I don't even need to pass it. Now we're just cooking with butter. Beautiful, glorious New Jersey highway. Can't go wrong. Little Maserati SUV. The Civic is like, yo bro. Oh damn, I didn't realize that I was in 5th gear going 80. Probably should slow down. In 1 mile. Yeah, I can do that. One mile, no problem. I can definitely do that. Do. Smells good over here. I'm actually getting a little hungry. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys. I'm headed to a barbecue at my buddy Birdie Bird's. So, you know, it's gonna be a good time. You know it's gonna be a good time. Birdie Bird never disappoints. You guys should check out his channel, Right Thing Motos. If I remember, I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, you YouTube it. Right Thing Motos. He's got some cool videos. He's got some videos of us going cross country. So yeah, got good stuff in there. Getting behind this big truck. Let's see how committed that big truck will be to making this angry turn. Not at all. Oh man, this turn is so fun, and this truck totally ruined it for me. Oh boy. And this is always like exercise in patience, because people are really scared of this turn. They don't really go for it. You got it, bro. You got it. Do it. Here we are. Awesome stuff. Oh, beautiful. I am thirsty. I am hungry. I'm a little bit chilly. Tomorrow is going to be a chilly little day. I am assured of it. But my hands right now are not cold at all. So there is hope for tomorrow. There is hope for tomorrow. Oh, one thing I didn't even mention until just now. I installed STS brake module, smart brake module. So now when I downshift and slow down, engine brake, my brake light flashes, which is really cool. People are just like scared of turns. Like that person legit slowed down for that turn. Insane. Insane. Amateurs, that's what they are. But you know, whatever. Nobody cares. Oh, goddamn. I'm gonna take a left after this. And now we're closer and closer. Oh, nice. The spring is back. It's like 2 days into springs now. Spring. And the spring has sprung. The beautiful, beautiful spring has finally beautifully sprung. Here we are, buddy boy. Here we are. Nice. All right, boys and girls. I shall talk to you really soon. Have a great day, and thank you for joining me on this ride. Bye-bye.